Hello, this is the TradeSite U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2019. Been an interesting week so far. Monday was exciting. Tuesday was not what I was expecting, honestly. Looks better on the futures chart, which is what you're seeing here, the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market. And honestly, you're going to see a better look when we look at the cash index. So let's just wait and look at that. Crude oil down 22 cents to 53.41. Interesting time of year for crude to be down, considering this is entering hurricane season. We got the S&P cash index. I'm sorry, the gold index. Sorry, the gold contract now 12 candles up from a secret. So 13 will be the sell signal tomorrow if we don't plunge first today. S&P cash up 37.03. It doesn't look as dramatic as the futures. The futures were down yesterday after the close of the market on Monday, almost 100 points on the Nasdaq, quite a bit on the ES. Then came back and were actually very positive by the time we opened on Tuesday. So we'll take a look at the intraday action to show you that. But the overnight sell-off never materialized at all, and actually reversed by quite a bit. It was a big crazy night in the futures, which we haven't seen a lot of lately. The Nasdaq 100 closes up 105.63. That just recovers part of the loss from Monday. Again, Monday was a big gap down. You got a floating island, though. This is interesting. If you were to gap up, you'd actually have a floating island reversal. Um, um, so, anyways, here's the SOX up 18.25, recovering part of the loss. Not a big deal. Biotech's up 50.52. Russell 2000 gains back 14. That doesn't really put a dent in the drop. The VIX down 4.42. Trend closes at 1.11. That puts the 10-day moving average at 1.27, so not really anything there we care about. Of course, here we go. The down days are big volume, the up days less, and so the smallest volume day of the last week is today, the up day in the market. 2.2 billion shares on the Nasdaq, whereas everything else was higher for those declining days. Advanced decline ratio on the Nasdaq plus 909, so more stocks up than down, plus 1,068 on the New York. So more stocks up than down on the rebound day. Just a surprising time for the rebound day. Google up 16.33, Apple up 3.66. Netflix gains $2.47. Small rebound there. Amazon up 22.7. Tesla up 2.43. Facebook up 2.78. Goldman Sachs up 4.33. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, up 1.11. The Dow was up over 100 points. Here's a look at the intraday action. So the ES. So remember, the gap down on Monday, we have not recovered any of that, but we did gap up on Tuesday, came back to fill the gap essentially, or very close to it, drifted back up and closed near the highs of Monday, but that whole big gap is still not in play, and the Nasdaq side is no different. It really was a very flat day comparatively. I was expecting something a little different, and we didn't get it. That's fine. We made a little money, but it wasn't the most exciting day that we've seen in a while, and I was hoping for more of that. Economic data on Wednesday. Crude oil inventory is an hour in. 10-year bond auction at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, and consumer credit at 3. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading